Namaskar. Summer is just about to come, and most of you must be having lots of plans to enjoy your summer. But summer can be a little challenging for your hair. The excess heat can be challenging for both your scalp and for hair strands. The sun, sweat, and humidity can cause hair problems like dryness, dandruff, greasy hair, scalp irritation, split ends, and even hair breakage. But let me teach you to take care of your hair effectively in summer with three powerful hair care solutions. The first summer hair care solution for you is a hydrating aloe vera, vitamin E, and coconut hair oil. Coconut oil has antibacterial properties which help you maintain a good, healthy scalp. And aloe vera is a natural coolant that soothes your scalp in harsh summer heat. Vitamin E oil balancing the oil production in your scalp. It protects the scalp surface and moisturizes. So let's see how to make this hydrating summer oil. Take 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel. Mix it with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Apply from roots to tips and leave it on for 30 minutes. And then rinse with a mild shampoo. For extra hydration, you can also add a spoonful of honey. Your hair will feel like smooth and soft. The second solution for you is a nourishing argan oil. Argan oil, moringa oil, and rose water serum. During summer months, hair serum creates a barrier which keeps your hair protected from harsh UV rays and heat. The argan oil in this serum is rich in essential fatty acids, making it perfect for repairing and strengthening hair. And rose water is a refreshing, lightweight option to give your hair a boost of hydration during summer months. The rose water will also remove excess oil and helps you manage the problems of sweaty hair. Let's see how to make this serum. Take 2 tablespoons of argan oil and 1 tablespoon moringa oil. Mix it with 1 tablespoon of rose water. Add a few drops of lavender essential oil for extra nourishment. Apply a small amount to damp or dry hair for a smooth, frizz-free finish. Use it daily before you go to sleep at night for a natural shine, hydrated and deeply nourished scalp. The third summer care solution for hair is a cooling scalp detox hair mask. A hydrating hair mask like this can be a game changer for your hair in summer because it creates the barrier between your hair and the sun. Your scalp can get oily and itchy in summer. So third, scalp detox hair mask. Let's understand. Hibiscus flower. It cools and soothes while yogurt gently exfoliates and removes buildup from your scalp. The steps to make this hair mask are: take 5 to 6 hibiscus flower or 2 tablespoons of dried hibiscus flower powder. Blend them with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Let the flower soak at least for 30 minutes in the yogurt. Massage it into your scalp for 5 minutes. Let it stay there for another 10 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and then a mild shampoo. You can also add a few drops of peppermint oil for an extra cooling effect. Use this mask twice a week to protect, nourish, and energize your hair in summer. Some other tips that you can use in summer are: wear a hat if you are going out in hot sun between 11 am to 4 pm. Don't wash your hair too frequently as it can strip your hair of essential oils. Detangle your hair before washing. Trim your hair regularly because in the summer your hair is more prone to split end. And always remember to hydrate adequately in summer. So try these 3 simple, effective and natural DIY hair care summer solutions and get healthy and fabulous hair in this summer. Namaskar.